Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your asset allocation with BlackRock, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the concept of asset allocation. Asset allocation is the strategy of dividing your investments among different asset categories. These categories typically include stocks, bonds, and cash. Research BlackRock as a trusted resource for asset management and allocation. Visit the BlackRock website to access their various investment tools. Create an account if you don't already have one to explore personalized options. Evaluate your current financial situation by calculating your net worth. Identify your investment goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. Assess your risk tolerance, which determines how much volatility you can handle. Explore BlackRock's asset allocation models to find one that aligns with your goals. Use their online tools to customize your asset mix based on your preferences. Consider different investment strategies like strategic versus tactical allocation. Review asset class performance data available on BlackRock's platform. Keep yourself informed about market trends and economic changes. Diversify your investments to minimize risks associated with market fluctuations. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired allocation. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making during market volatility. Utilize BlackRock's educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Stay updated on new investment products offered by BlackRock. Connect with a financial advisor for personalized guidance if needed. Implement the chosen asset allocation strategy and invest according to your plan. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they align with your objectives. Make necessary adjustments based on market conditions and personal financial changes. Maintain a long-term perspective for sustained growth and wealth accumulation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.